See that fish coming up? Well, sometimes they don't bite. That's just normal. You know, it takes time. You have to play around with them, you know. It's prime time. It's almost 6 o'clock. I haven't caught any fish yet, but I got tons of marks. They haven't bite yet. I'm still waiting for, you know, a good luck. I'm still waiting for my dinner, you know. This is actually my second time ice fishing camping on ice. I camped once like on Christmas Eve on the 23rd of December, and it was like 30, like minus 32. It was super cold. I didn't catch any fish at that time, but hopefully this time I can catch some fish. Still no fish yet, but we're having a great time, right? Cheers. It's very good. It's actually you know, green tea, like ginseng, some sort of green tea. I thought it's an alcoholic beverage, but no, it's not. It's a tea. But anyway. You guys have a great weekend. It's Friday. Happy weekend. But I'm hungry. Still hoping to get some fish for dinner. It's 6:30 right now. Come on, fish, please bite. Guys, first the fish. That's my dinner. Guys, I got my dinner. I got my dinner. Yes. Guys, that's perfect eater. Okay, I'm gonna have my dinner right now. Fillet the fish, cook the fish right now. Alright, how nice is that? You know what? I don't think I'm gonna fillet the fish because I just processed the fish. You know, it's very I scaled the fish and took the guts out, you know, and it's very clean. It's super clean. I'm not gonna fillet it because it's a pretty small fish. I don't want to waste any piece of meat, so I'm just gonna cut it into several pieces and deep fry it. I'm not gonna fillet it because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna waste a lot of meat, so I don't want to waste. So see, so cut the fish into maybe 5 pieces and then deep fry it, right? Just so that way I would not waste any piece of meat. That's nice, right? Right. So that's my dinner. You see it? I didn't flay it, so it's pretty much the whole fish. I'm gonna eat the skin. I'm gonna eat the head and everything. The tail. Nice. Still rocking fish right now. The good thing is it is not cold tonight. It's pretty warm. So to me, minus 10, minus 11 is warm. Not even cold. Have to clean the board later. It's pretty nasty. Right. Let's cook some fish. Let's cook some fish. Where's my butter? Where's my butter? I need my butter. My butter. Weird. My butter is right here. Okay. See? This is a major difference between ice fishing camping and wild camping in the wilderness, you know. If I am in the wilderness, I'm gonna use campfire to cook fish. So that's gonna be more delicious. Right now, I can only use fuel canister. Because I'm on the lake right now, I don't have firewood. So fine, I don't really care. Right. So let's cut some butter. Does butter make you warm? So that's like, there's like a lot of calorie in there, right? Where is my knife? See that? Pretty neat. That is a hard butter, but I'm still gonna cut it off. I think I might need a lot of butter to cook. Yeah. Ooh, that's hot. I mean, see butter? That's a lot of butter. That's a lot of oil. Wow. Check out my fish. Check it out. That's a whole lot of fish. I mean, it's not a monster, but it's perfect eater. You know? I'm sure it's gonna be very, very delicious. Alright, so let's cook it up. So, gotta make sure the butter is hot enough. Okay, let's give it a try. Ooh! Whew. Let's try 2 big trunk first. Pretty big. Alright, guys, see what's happening here. See it? Deep frying fish with butter. I mean, I don't know how to taste it, but it smells really good right now. Woo. All right, so I think I don't have to add seasoning into the fish because it smells really good. And honestly, I never tried deep frying fish with butter. This is my first time. I'm sure some of you guys have tried this. I mean, wow. Okay, let me try. Let me give it first a bite. Wow, wow! It just it absorbed the flavor of butter. You know, it tastes like. I mean, it tastes doesn't like fish. It tastes like I don't know. Wow, it's just so yummy. I never tried this kind of flavor before. Mmm. Deep fried fish with butter. Okay, now I know it. My God, awesome. Mm. This is life. Cheers. I'm still marking fish, but they don't bite anymore. It's been 2 hours, and I'm kind of sleepy now. So, yeah, I have to take a nap. All right. Good morning. It's almost 6 o'clock. I had a very good nap last night. I slept for almost 5 hours, and you know, I'm still hoping to catch some fish for breakfast. Well, it seems like the fish are starting to show up in the early morning, so I'm just gonna try another maybe 2 or 3 hours, try to catch some breakfast. I only caught one decent sized walleye, like decent sized eater last night. That was dinner. It was awesome, pretty good. So hopefully I can catch one fish for breakfast. Check out the sunrise. It's gonna be beautiful. Alright, so it's almost 8:30 right now, and I've been fishing for another 2 hours, but got nothing. Still no bite, and the temperature just dropped to -17 Celsius. It's pretty cold, and I'm pretty tired, you know, for jigging. So I'm gonna start packing things up and head back. So that's pretty much the adventure. Again, I appreciate your time for watching the video and your support. I'll be making more winter camping videos in the future. Hope you guys stay tuned for our next one. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Stay warm. Bye.